intro song to the show.
Moving to the country, gonna eat a lot of peaches. I'm moving to
Welcome, come on in. Everybody come take a seat. Come on in. Hello, good to see you. What's up? There's the guy. Yes. Hello. Cheers, hats off to you. Uh-huh. Alright, that's the intro song. It's the Peaches song. Presidents of the United States of America. Maybe you know it, maybe you don't. Look it up if you don't. I think it goes good with my name. Welcome to Peachtree Woodcraft Live, or Peachtree Live, whichever one you want to call it. I'm Alex, your host, and today we have Natalie from Sailor Blooms. Come on down. Drum roll. Welcome. Welcome to your house.
Thank you. It's good to be here.
We are currently in her house right now. Her kid is asleep right there, and her husband is down there. Rusty, thanks for the beers, my brother.
And champagne.
Good man. Tip of the hat to him.
Yep.
Yeah.
Cheers.
So, hello. Welcome. So what we're doing here is a little live show. I like to talk to woodworkers, musicians, small business owners, fashion-y people, grandparents down the street, anyone that is just fun to talk to. I like to talk with them and just say what's up, pick their brain, see what's going on inside that noggin. So that's what we're doing here today. So thanks for joining. Hi.
Hi.
How art thou?
Good.
Good.
Muy bien.
Muy bien. So tell people who you are.
I am Natalie, and I own Sailor Blooms Boutique, a small business catering to women's fashion and apparel, accessories, shoes, all that fun stuff.
I used to have my ears pierced. Maybe you can hook me up and bring some earrings and try and get them like replaced.
I think you need the tassels.
Can you re-pierce ears once they're open?
Yeah.
Like I can still feel them. Man, I used to have these hoops with little spikes. You might remember. I thought they were cool at the time. They're alright. They're alright. So how did you get started in Sailor Blooms?
I started Sailor Blooms. Well, I started it because I used to actually do photography, which was awesome, and it was a great season of life. I had my daughter and realized that the timing of when people need photos taken is family time. It's when people get off work and it's the weekends, and so I realized very quickly that I wanted to do something else, and I actually went to UNT and studied fashion merchandising. So I've always loved fashion. I've always just had a passion for it, and so in April of 2016, actually on April Fool's,
close to my birthday, I am a fool, hence why I'm so stupid.
so on April Fool's, I launched the boutique. I had an Instagram going, so I had social media on my side, which was great. I call it my free advertising.
It's true.
And I launched the website, had a small amount of inventory. Sayla is my daughter also. She was a few months old, so I was unboxing stuff and had her strapped to me as I was starting the business. So it was a cool season of life.
Did you rock the?
Yeah, it was y'all's.
So Natalie is my sister-in-law. I've known her. We actually grew up on the same street, like since I was in first grade. Mm-hmm. Her older sister is my wife, Vanessa, which is at home, potentially here in the comments. I think I saw her earlier doing something. I don't know what she's doing. So we go way back.
Yeah.
So where did the name come from? I can kind of maybe guess. But,
maybe a little bit.
Well, because
Sayla is the name of my daughter, so that's kind of a given. I wanted her to have a big part in it. But the Blooms is actually more of a sentimental thing. It was based on that season of my life, which was a lot of growth. I was growing in Christ. I was growing as a mother. I was excited to see who she would grow into be, and I'm still learning that. She's a ham and a half. But so it was just a season of growth, and I wanted to see how the boutique would grow and blossom and bloom into what it would be. So Blooms, it came to me so fast. It was literally like in my mind, and I was like, well, that's easy, that's it. So Sailor Blooms. That's what it was.
It's a good name. Where'd you come up with your little logo? There's a banner. Why don't you grab that giant sign real quick?
Okay.
I really love the blooms, the flowers.
The blooms, yeah.
Where do you, so like, there's something you found?
I kind of designed it, kind of tinkered with it. I don't know. I'm all about like just creating my own stuff and playing. I like to just I like to play with just stupid stuff like this. So I designed the logo and did the watercolor. I love like the subtlety of watercolor. I think it's just super, super neat.
So wait, so you like did this?
So I found different flowers and leaves and stuff, put it all together, and then adjusted the coloring to how I wanted the colors, and that's just a font I did and put together.
That's impressive.
Yeah.
Natalie's like the go-to for like stuff. It's like, hey,
I just like it.
I need like a video made. She's like, oh, I'm on it.
It's so
She's
fun.
like, some of the stuff that I posted, I think have come from you. Like you made me my business cards.
Yeah.
You always send me pictures, so. This is kind of like Peachtree assistant in a way.
Yeah, that's what I am also. I forgot to say that when I was introducing myself.
I can put you to work in the garage. I need to do some. So tonight I need to do some gluing up. I need to do some. It's super hot in there, so we can not have you in there. So that's where they came from. Logo's super dope. I'm jealous. My brother created my logo. He is which is that one there. He is super savvy with creating stuff, web design. He might even be here in the.
I saw him.
I think I saw him hanging out. I see my mom. What's up, Mom?
Hi, B.
There's Cassie. No power tools, Dale. Yeah.
Hi, Cass.
They have one. You have one drill in the house. That's pretty good.
We have one drill. One.
I think earlier this week I was snapping a couple of my projects. I have a lot of Peachtree projects here in this house. Cornhole boards, TV cabinet.
Yeah.
There's something else. Oh, a little diamond shelf.
Oh, yeah.
Which I have another one I need to do. Was it a hexagon?
Hexagon's next.
I'm working on it. I'm going to get there.
He just has a few projects going on.
There's a couple projects right now. Let's see. So we know where your name came from. So do you have a certain amount of models you use? Who are these people that I see in your snaps and posts and that stuff?
Yeah. So what's funny is I kind of, when I started out, I was like, oh, I'll just use my friends. They're cute. And they are. You see them. They're freaking gorgeous. I see Cassie's on here. I don't know about Misty, but I use Cassie and Misty. I like to, my idea from the beginning, and it was kind of just like a quick thought, like, oh, I want to have one tall model and I want to have one short model. Because for me, when I'm shopping online, everything I shop for I buy it and it ends up being a nightgown on me because I'm 5 foot. So I know that there are other 5 to 5'3" girls out there. So I wanted to cater to them as well as tall people. I didn't want to just have, really tall, beautiful giraffes like Cassie. And so I wanted to have them both, and we got together, started the modeling stuff, and it just was so much fun. We are really casual about it. I don't ever want it to feel stuffy. Sometimes Cassie has to bring her kids, which is awesome because they're great. They do their own